Hi guys, welcome back. In perfume world, there are thousands of perfume brands having hundreds of different perfumes. Let's check out which are the best perfume brands in the world. Top 10 perfume brands, top 10 designer perfume brands. Yes, please remember this is the list of designer perfume brands. And this list, top 10 list, is based on variety of perfumes these brands have, their creativity, their range, original creation, and of course, quality of their perfume and the quality of scent. How good the scent is, how good the fragrance is. Okay, let's start. Number 10, Burberry. Burberry is a British brand, well known for its all the fashion accessories from cap to shoes, kind of iconic British brand. And they have some really good perfumes as well. They have very large variety of perfumes, very good range they have in perfumes both for men and women. And some of their famous perfumes are Burberry Body, Burberry London, Burberry Touch, Burberry Brit, both for men and women. Very nice perfumes and very reasonably priced, quite affordable Burberry perfumes are. Number 9, Bulgari. Bulgari is an Italian brand. Basically, Bulgari is a jewelry brand. Yes, Bulgari is a jewelry brand. They make some of the best perfumes as well. And some of their famous perfumes are Bulgari Aqua, Bulgari Men, Bulgari Men in Black, Bulgari Wood Neroli, the new creation. Amazing, very high quality perfumes they have produced and they are still producing. Bulgari. Number 8 is Versace. I think for people those who are in fashion and related to fashion world, Versace doesn't need any introduction. Started by highly talented great Gianni Versace, who is no more with us. And Versace as a brand, as a fashion brand, is famous for its very funky, flamboyant, very colorful, not very normal kind of clothes. Very creative, very colorful clothes they make. In common language, you can call it very jazzy, very funky, very cool. In case of perfumes, they have some of the best value for money perfumes. Yeah, because Versace as a brand is very expensive, their clothes are very expensive, and their famous perfumes are Versace Pour Homme, Versace Crystal Noir for women, Versace Bright Crystal for women, Versace Eros for men, Versace Dylan Blue. Versace Dylan Blue is for ladies also. Now, next, number 7 is Armani by Giorgio Armani. Again, one of the best fashion brands in the world, Giorgio Armani, or rather Armani by Giorgio Armani. And they have produced some of the most iconic perfumes ever. Unlike Versace, Armani is more into a very sophisticated, classical cut suits, very classical clothes, and their perfumes are equally high class, very sophisticated. In fact, Armani Acqua di Gio is one of the most famous men's perfumes ever. Yes, and it is the most successful perfume ever. Highest selling men's perfume ever, Armani Acqua di Gio by Giorgio Armani. And their other famous perfumes are Armani Code for women, Armani SI for women. Amazing perfume they produce. Now the next, number 6 is YSL. Yes, YSL. YSL stands for Yves Saint Laurent. Yes, it's a French brand. Their full name is Yves Saint Laurent. Famous perfumes YSL has produced are, of course, the king, the original king, YSL Kouros, YSL La Nuit de l'Homme, YSL Opium for women, YSL Black Opium for women. Some of the best perfumes ever YSL has produced. Okay, next, after YSL, number 5, Hermes. Yes, another French brand, French luxury brand. They produce some of the finest quality luxury goods. They are into accessories like belts, shoes, ladies' bags, travel bags, suitcases, and of course, clothing line, Hermes clothing line. In fact, their belts and shoes are so expensive, it's beyond a common man's reach. Their perfumes are highly creative, very high quality, very sophisticated. Some of their famous perfumes are, of course, Terre de Hermes, one of the best men's perfumes ever. Gio de Hermes, amazing perfume, amazing clothes, amazing accessories they make. Hermes. Next is number 4, Tom Ford. Yes, Tom Ford is an American brand started by Tom Ford. Tom Ford is the name of designer. And some of their famous perfumes are Tom Ford Tobacco Oud, Tom Ford Oud Wood, Tom Ford Noir, Tom Ford Noir Extreme, Tom Ford Black Orchid. Very expensive perfumes Tom Ford makes. And most of the Tom Ford perfumes are quite strong, little bit dark, intense. That's the style of Tom Ford creation. Extremely high quality and very expensive. Okay, now number 3. Number 3 is Guerlain. Yes, another French brand, Guerlain, and their famous perfumes are Guerlain Ideal for men, Guerlain Samsara for women, and the most famous, one of the most famous ladies perfumes ever, Guerlain Shalimar. Yes, Guerlain Shalimar. Very high quality perfumes they make, very sophisticated, classical blend of fragrances they produce. Guerlain. Number 2 is Dior. Yes, Dior by Christian Dior. Amazing variety of perfumes they have. Dior is very famous in other cosmetics also, like makeup, lipstick, and of course other fashion line products. Their range is very vast. They cater to all varieties, men, women, all season. And some of their famous perfumes are Dior Fahrenheit, Dior Sauvage, of course, Dior J'adore for women, Dior Poison for women, entire Poison line. Amazing perfumes they make. Dior by Christian Dior. Now, number one, best designer perfume brand is, of course, Chanel. I'm sure most of you must have guessed it. Chanel is the best designer perfume brand in the world. Very iconic. They have produced some of the most iconic perfumes ever. In fact, the most iconic perfume ever is Chanel number 5 for women. Other Chanel perfumes are Chanel Allure for men and women, Chanel Allure Home Sport for men, Bleu de Chanel, different varieties of different flankers of Bleu de Chanel. Amazing perfumes they produce. Obviously very high quality, very high on creativity. But of late, Chanel has not released any superstar blockbuster perfume. I think they are working on it. I hope next year in 2022 they come up with a new blockbuster superstar Chanel perfume. In fact, honestly, if I would have put Dior in number 1 in place of Chanel, then also it would have worked. Their perfumes are so good. Dior perfumes are so good, like entire Dior Home line, Dior Home Intense. They can be on number 1. So Chanel has to produce something really good. Otherwise, in my opinion, Dior might take Chanel's place. Okay guys, this was all about top 10 perfume brands, top 10 designer perfume brands. Please subscribe, share, pass your comments, your feedbacks, your suggestions. See you soon with another video. Take care.